Alright guys, so I got the MSD box hooked back up. Now with a new MSD coil instead of the stock coil that I had on the car for like 25-30 years. It ended up burning up the MSD box, and whenever I called them to ask why, they said you can use a stock coil, just don't use a 20-year-old coil. So that was what burned up the box. It cost me $180 to get it fixed. And here we are again, reinstalling it and about to try to fire it up. I'm already done with all the wiring except for the two-step. Haven't wired up the two-step yet. I'm gonna go ahead and try to crank it up first, and then if everything's good, then we'll hook up the two-step, check that out, see if it works. Alright, we're gonna see if she fires up with the new MSD box. Alright, so it seems to be working perfectly fine. Now it's time to hook up the two-step. All I gotta do is hook up this wire to the button I got. Hook the other side of the button up to 12 volts. And I've got it just set at 2500 to test it out. Alright, let's try the two-step. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, next I'm going to go for a little test drive and see how she does.